getting paid for hear words and then type them? Is that legit? Oh yes, this is what I'm gonna show you guys today. I'm gonna show you how you're gonna be hearing different words from this side I'm gonna talk in a bit, and you're gonna type them in and you're gonna get paid for it. Yeah? So stick with me just a second. I'm gonna explain exactly how this works. Before we go ahead and start, this is Chris with MarketIntelligenceCM.com, and on today's video I'm gonna show you exactly how you get able to transcribe words you're hearing from this site. If you just landed on my site, make sure you click the subscribe button because I want you to be part of my channel. You're gonna see videos every single day on how you can make money, passive income, or different ways on how you can make money with always free method. And make sure you click the bell notification next to it so you can get notified when I release videos every single day. So with no further ado, guys, let's go ahead and start today's video. Website I'm gonna talk to you about today is called gmrtranscription.com. You can get the link from down below, and once you click from the link below, you're able to come to this, which is the home page. I have made mentioned this on the previous site, but these guys have started to go really well, and as you can see, they already feature on a worldwide business preview. So what they do, you have 100% human transcriptionist, and this is US based country, so if you're in US, this will be working great for you. But they having a Spanish right now. Spanish people are needed as well, and you can see some of the really good customers: Dow Jones, McDonald's, AT&T, Levi's, Microsoft, ASU, Yale, Discovery Channel. Great legit names here, so you can see that this is a legit site. So what you do, our transaction services are done by human transcriptionists. We serve clients seeking academic, corporate, legal, and podcast transcription services. They have translation, they have editing, they have proof feeding. What I'm gonna give you heads up, guys, when you go ahead and sign up for this one, is that you're gonna have to do 2 hours of work so they can review your work, that you're actually good at what you're doing. So the first 2 hours, make sure that when you do this, that you are very good and accurate in what you do. Yeah, you can click the video later on if you want to see more information about the preview they had. And if you go here, you can see on the careers, you can see some of the open positions and where it's needed. You can work from hours of your own with no experience necessary, so you can create your own schedule with no experience. This is what we love about all this video and these possible ways on how we can work. Now you can click here to apply, and you can see a little bit more information about where it's available. And what I wanted to show you is the second most important question is the rates. When you click here on the different rates of you getting paid, so if you scroll down based on the work you're gonna do and how many words, how many works, and so on, you are able to see how much money you're able to do. Just scroll down, go through the table, you're able to see the rates that they're gonna provide you. Payment goes out standard. It's very legit site, so you can scroll down, see based on the what you're gonna do. You can see here, this is what I was looking for. You can see here for the Spanish people as well. So there is a good availability. If you are a Spanish speaker or you are located in US, give it a shot, guys. You are able to get some good money out of it. But if for any reason this is not for you, this is not open for your country for any reason, and you want to see my #1 recommendation, my top 1 way of making money, which is available for everybody, not just for the US, but for every single person in the world, click my #1 recommendation below, guys. Free to join, video with proof, and you do passive income even when you sleep. Why not? You are not there yet? I don't understand. Go ahead, click it, give it a shot, start making some money. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. If you did, don't forget to click the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I want you to be there. It would be a great honor to have you on my channel. Start making some money. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.